All right, guys. So we are presented with this jam question, and we are asked to find the 10th term of the arithmetic progression, knowing that the third term is minus 9, the seventh term is minus 29. So we are asked to find the 10th term. And remember that in finding any term of arithmetic progression, you need to consider certain things like A, which is the first term, and D, which is the common difference. And that is not given here. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to solve to get the common difference and the first term of this equation. And we are given these options A, B, C, and D. So let's solve it to see what we can get. First, knowing the third term, okay, so the third term, we are told that the third term is minus 9, and the formula for third term of arithmetic progression is A plus 2D, and we are told that it is equals to minus 9, and the formula for the seventh term is A plus 6D, which we are told is minus 29. Okay, so now we are going to say subtract the two equations. We are going to subtract equation, that's, we call this our equation 1 and we call this our equation 2. Okay, we are going to subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, so, and what is our equation 2? We have A plus 6D. This will be minus A plus 2D, which is equals to minus 29 minus 9. Okay, now the next step we are going to have is A plus 6D. This is minus times plus becomes what? Minus. So we are going to have minus A minus 2D, which is equals to minus 29 plus, because minus times minus becomes plus, we'll have this. So this will be equals to, now looking at this, this is plus A and this is minus A, they can cancel in themselves. We are left with 6D minus 29 and 2D. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So we are going to have 4D will be equals to minus 29 plus 9 is the same thing as 9 minus 29. So we are going to get here minus 20. So we divide both sides by 4 to have our D. So this will give us 4 can cancel, our D will be equals to minus 5. So our D here is equals to what? Minus 5. Now we are going to substitute, we are going to say substitute D in equation 1. So what is our equation 1? Our equation 1 is A plus 2D equals to minus 9. So this will be equals to, is the same thing as A plus 2 times minus 5, which is equals to minus 9. Okay, so now we are still going to further have A plus, now 2 times minus 5 will give us minus 10 equals to minus 9. So collecting like terms, okay, when you collect like terms, A will be equals to minus 9 plus 10. 10 is negative, crossing sign of inequality turns to positive. So we have this. So our A will now be equals to 1, because minus 9 plus 10 is the same thing as 10 minus 9. So our A here will be equals to 1. So now finding the 10th term. Finding the 10th term. Okay. So now our 10th term will will be equals to, our 10th term will be equals to a plus 9d. Okay, and what is a? A is 1 plus 9 times minus 5, which is d. So this will be equals to 1 plus 9 times minus 5 is minus 45. So this will be equals to 1 minus 45. And 1 minus 45 is the same thing as minus 44. So you come to here, you see that C is our answer. Thank you, and let me have your view in the comment section.